Hi, my name is Jerry. I repair televisions, VCRs, stereos, microwave ovens, camcorders, projection TVs, and I specialize right now in computers. And I can make computers so perfect that I can also give a lifetime guarantee, which nobody could beat. Give me a call. Phone number is 457-6432, or just stop in. I'm right there in the corner by the traffic light on Foot Avenue. And it's at 183 Foot Avenue in Duryea. That's what I've been doing for the last 24 years. And if you need any kind of repairs or help or configuration settings or anything related, computer related, or anything in that nature, or electronic nature actually, give me a call. And give me a call for a free estimate, and I'd be glad to help you out.